Howdy folks, welcome back to the farm. I'm Matt. I'm here today with the DR trimmer mower. This was a gift from my mom and dad. Appreciate it, mom and dad. It was a 95 plus degree day with about 90% humidity that about broke me from weed eating, and I thought I was going to croak. But mom and dad kicked in, got us the DR trimmer mower, and we're going to put it together today and give it a fire up, see how it does. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you like our content, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps us out. I really appreciate it. Stay tuned. We're going to get to work. Okay, that's the wheel that ran away. Everything is out of the box. We have an optional brush guard, and I've got that to put on as well. First things first, let's pop open the instructions and see what we got here. There are lock nuts and washers. Right here. Everything comes packaged really neatly in nice little bags so that you don't lose a thing. At least not until I open them. Just a little bit closer here. See if we can get a shot of this head. So this head has a couple of different entry points here. You can go different heights. That's what each of these are. These are different heights. They go in the sides here and they come out the middle. So hang tight. Let me see if I can get that in there correctly. I'm going to go on a almost next to the lowest here. See it coming out there? Now you can see how that goes in, comes out right here together. I'm going to pull those in until they're a little bit more even, and we'll adjust it accordingly. Okay, so I did that wrong. I consult the DR Trimmer folks, their own YouTube page. I'll put a link up in the top there. But I did do it wrong, so I'm going to do this again. I'm going to go on the lowest setting this time. They're supposed to go in this way, and you can see it come out, and it goes in this way. Just a little tight there. Then you take these and you pull them tight, and then what happens is that this slides up into the groove just above it. If I had a little bit of upper body strength, this would be easier. They do recommend soaking the cords before you do this. Makes it a little bit easier on you. I did not do that. And there we go. Finally. Now that is properly installed. So there are two sides to this. We're just going to repeat on this side. Again, go in the lowest slot here. And spoke too soon. And there we go. The line is installed. Okay. Okay, now this does not come with engine oil or fuel in it. It is shipped from the factory dry. So there's a warning, you need to add engine oil before starting this unit. So we're going to work on that now. We're going to be using the DR Trimmer heavy duty 30 weight motor oil. This is 32 ounces here. It only takes 17 ounces, so about half a quart is what the engine holds. Again, good job with the warning stickers here. Must add the oil, which we're going to do now. Don't need that anymore. Dipstick is fairly dry. I think that they probably put a little splash in these and test them before they leave the factory. But we're going to get a funnel and I'll be right back. We've got our funnel here. Going to go ahead and start adding our oil. Again, we're going to put just a little bit in here, not quite half a quart. We'll check the dipstick and see how we're doing. And you know, we're not having fun unless we're spilling something. So, get that wiped up. There we go. Alright, we're going to stick the dipstick in here. See where we register. We are full. Do that one more time. Yep. We're just a shade under full, so I'm going to add just a little tiny bit more. Give that time to get down in there. Now we're right on full. Good deal. So when it comes to fuel, there are a couple things that I don't skimp on. Generally in all my equipment that I'm running all the time, I use non-ethanol fuel. In things like weed trimmers, saws, chainsaws, those types of things, we are using the canned fuel. I'm not being sponsored by True Fuel, but we do use a lot of the True Fuel products. This is the 4-cycle engineered fuel. It's good in the tank here for years. It's not actually a gas, but it is ethanol free. It is great for long-term storage, and I highly recommend that you consider using some sort of canned fuel for power equipment that you're not going to have turned on basically a weekly basis. All right, we'll go ahead and get this filled up. All right, time for the true test. Let's see how she starts. On this side, there's another warning sticker about adding engine oil before starting the engine, which we did. I'm going to turn this to the on position, and we're going to see what happens. see, it hasn't even really touched the string at all. Even hitting it up against some of these cinder blocks and masonry pavers, did a great job. Good job.